an eggplant parm. Use this Cajun Men Cook Butcher's Fried Eggplant recipe. Let's get to it. I'm going to use 1 eggplant. I'm going to say yay size. This calls for a seasoned breadcrumbs, but all I've got is the plain. Breadcrumbs, panko crumbs. I'm actually going to blend this finer than what it is. And I think just because I want to try something a little different, I'm going to add some cornmeal. That makes me happy. For the meat sauce, I'm going to use a pound of ground venison and some spaghetti sauce. Alright, I'm going to cook my ground venison in a cast iron skillet. I'm really hoping that this meal convinces James to let me grow eggplant in the garden. Meat is brown. I'm going to add in my spaghetti sauce. Just Italian seasoning. Put it in the dry into the wet. To the dry. Those look fantastic. So props to me because I hate deep frying. I'm gonna say that is what you're looking for. I feel like you would probably, like in a perfect world, do this on the plate you're gonna serve it on, but I don't think I have oven safe plates. I mean, I might, but I'm not about to risk it. Yeah.